Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool Miss right here, and basically what this is a throw blanket, or they call it right here, it is the microfiber flannel blanket, and it's from the brand called Bedsure. So I reviewed a lot of different types of like blankets and bed sheets and pillowcase from this brand, and they never disappoint. They always make like high quality product for affordable price, which is pretty awesome. And this is just another product from this brand that's pretty awesome as well. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product, you can see how it's all nicely compressed. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here's what it looks like when you guys first take it out. And right here you can see it mentioned how it's a flannel blanket, but let's take it out first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely feels really nice and actually feels really soft as well. If you guys look on the side right here, the way how they stitch it is very neat. It actually looks very high quality in terms of how they stitch it as well. When you guys feel the product, it definitely feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And for this product, I actually have it in many different colors and many different sizes available as well. The one that we got right here is a throw blanket size. If you guys want like bigger ones for like twin size, queen size, full size, or even king size bed, they actually have a lot of different sizes available, so you definitely want to do your own research. In terms of color, we have the navy one right here, but I'm actually opening it up to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so when you guys open it up, you can definitely see how it's actually pretty big, but you can definitely see the color on here actually looks pretty nice. It actually feels really nice and really soft as well. Both for this side right here and also for the other side as well. It's literally the same material on both sides. So if you guys want to use this on like your sofa, your bed, or even when you guys are sitting on your chair, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And for this product, you can definitely throw in the machine to wash it or dry it. But what I recommend is that when you guys wash and dry this, you probably want to throw it into like a mesh laundry bag if you guys want to wash it correctly. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first open it up. Let me actually go wash and dry this first before I test it out, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing the blanket right here. If you can see, it definitely has a good coverage of the actual blanket itself right here. But you can see it's not that long compared to your normal twin size blanket. The one that we got right here is this roll size blanket, and we do have a twin size bed. If you can see how far it can go this side, and this is how far it can go this side right here. So it definitely gives you guys enough coverage to actually cover you guys up. But if you guys want to pull out the blanket a little bit, it might not give you guys that full coverage that you guys want. So I'm going to just hop on and show you guys what it actually looks like. So you can see when I actually pull it all the way up right here, my feet right here is wide open. So my whole body and everything still feels pretty warm when I use it. It just doesn't have a long enough coverage if you can see how my feet sticking out right there in the bottom. But definitely from the top part right here where my neck is to where my feet is right here, it definitely actually keeps me pretty warm when I actually put it on. It's not like super warm compared to like comforters or like warmer blankets and everything, but definitely it's warm enough where it's actually pretty lightweight, and definitely feels pretty nice as well with that fur material that's on here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys use it. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to get the longer size or bigger size, you definitely can as well. If you do want to get a bigger one that actually fits like a twin size bed, you definitely want to go for a size up. The one that we got right here, it is a roll blanket. That is why I don't get long enough coverage on here. So this is probably more ideal if you guys want to use it on like your sofa, your couch, or even for your chair when you guys are just relaxing. I definitely love how soft the actual material feels on here. It actually feels really, really nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up and start using it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. Super easy to use the product. If you didn't see, once we finish washing and drying it, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. If you guys do plan on using this on your bed, you probably want to get a bigger size, because the one that we got right here is a roll blanket like I mentioned in the video. But if you're just planning on using this for like your chair or for your sofa or even for the couch, just to keep you guys warm during like the winter season or whatever, then you probably want to get the blanket that is a roll size. But if you guys do need a bigger one, you definitely want to do your own research to see how big you guys need in terms of the bed size that you have. And they also mentioned for these blankets that they have right here is actually fade resistant as well. So depending on how you guys actually wash it, and if you guys follow the instructions correctly, then you should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality, lightweight flannel blanket to use at your sofa, your couch, or even for your chair. And even if you guys want to use it for your bed, you can definitely use it in almost any situation. But basically, if you guys trying to look for a blanket that has everything that's on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.